Chicken wings are my favorite part of the chicken. Thank God there are 1,000,001 ways to make chicken wings. Now, as a part of the wash and meat culture, the first thing I do is wash down my chicken with lime and vinegar, clean it up. Then I hit it with some of our very own, very necessary island spiced oil. I rub that in thoroughly, but don't mind that I'm using a spoon. You can use your hand if you want, and I eat that. When me say I eat that, me mean one of our fellow Jamaicans, small business, woman-owned business, sent me a little care package of their jerk seasonings. No, this is not a paid promotion. I'm just supporting our own, just like you guys support me. And by the way, thank you guys very much for all your love and support. However, like I always give my honest review on paid promotion, me go give me honest review on these. First thing, me love them little single-use packet here. Remember, my mother used to send me go a shop, go buy a little packet like them. One time use, sometimes she make it last for 2 times. But you've never seen no jerk seasoning like them. It's have jerk garlic, jerk onion, jerk turmeric. I love the jerk turmeric. And I'll share a business card with you so you guys can check her out and support them. They are available locally in Jamaica and they're available in the US. So look on the ingredients so it's uncomplicated. That's what we love to see. We can't take a bag of ingredients that we can't even pronounce. When I try any seasoning, the first thing I do is taste it because I have to know the salt content in it so I know what to add. These are not very salty. And you know how you can know they're not very salty? Look at the first pack that I dumped out on the chicken. You see it kind of cake up together? Nothing wrong with that. That just means it don't have no holy impurities in it. And me know you don't know, but that definitely means it have no holy salt. But to my chicken wings, me add the jerk garlic, the jerk onion, and the jerk turmeric. And me rub that in thoroughly along with my spiced oil. And then me add some of our homemade pepper. Yes, some of my homemade pepper sauce, me add that to it. That's the only thing me add to it. Those were the only seasons me add to it. Because me really wanted to give seasonings a good try. So the last thing me want to do, I fill it up a whole heap of thing and then me say, oh, it not taste good or oh, it nice. Me want give the seasoning a try. So you're gonna get the best result by marinating any meat with any seasoning overnight. And that's what I did. When me get ready for fry, use the same season them in some flour with some cornstarch. Me fry my wings, rest them for a while, and then me put them in a medium hot oil with some aromatics and me fry them off. But hold on. If you reach here, so back up a little and look on the chicken again. Another reason you know our seasoning I have no 1 bag of salt. Though they were in the fridge marinating overnight, next day you open it, all of the season them still sit on your chicken. Usually if a season full of salt, most of the season dissolve down in the water. This never do that. May I tell you, we are keep with blood pressure and low, so this are the seasoning for you. So me just turn my chicken wings them over, fry them off till I'm fried, and me fry 2 green platen and me say them chicken wings were bussing. Were fried perfectly. They were seasoned perfectly. Good job, sis. Again, pause the video on our business card to see all our information. And also, I'm going to tag her in this video. I'm sending you love and blessing to you and yours on your business. And I pray you guys will just go out and support her. Seasonings taste nice and natural. Actually, kind of brought me back home because if you know, you know. The season that what we are buying in America in a store is not the same season that we're growing up buying in Jamaica in store and we neighbor shop. And this one just took me back home. It tastes just nice and natural. I loved this.